Don't let your pension payments get interrupted. Submitting your life certificate is crucial for pensioners to keep receiving their hard-earned money. This guide explains everything you need to know about submitting your Jeevan Pramaan digital life certificate, both online and offline. What exactly is this Jeevan Pramaan? It's a biometric-enabled digital certificate, essentially proving you're still alive. This is a must-do every year in November to avoid any disruption in your pension payments. If you're over 80 years old, you get a head start and can submit your certificate from October 1st to November 30th. The big picture: your life certificate is submitted to the agency that disburses your pension, and once it's verified, your payments continue seamlessly. How to submit your life certificate? You have options. You can submit your certificate in a few different ways. Offline, visit a bank branch, a citizen service center, CSC, or use Doorstep Banking services. Online, use the Jeevan Pramaan portal or the UMANG app. What you'll need: before you start, gather these details: your Aadhaar number, your mobile number, your pension payment order, PPO number, your bank account number, the name of the pension sanctioning authority. Let's dive deeper. Offline submission. You can submit a physical life certificate at a bank or CSC. Doorstep banking services, like those offered by India Post Payment Bank, IPPB, are also available. The Digital Life Certificate, DLC service is accessible for both IPPB and non-IPPB customers. Online submission. Head to the Jeevan Pramaan website on your computer or mobile device. You'll need Aadhaar authentication to verify your identity. The system uses your biometric information to generate the digital certificate, which is then stored securely. Pension disbursing agencies can access it online. Using the UMANG app, download the UMANG app from the Google Play Store, search for Jeevan Pramaan, and follow the steps to generate your certificate. What is Jeevan Pramaan/Digital Life Certificate, DLC? It is a biometric-enabled Aadhaar-based digital life certificate for pensioners. It's generated using your Aadhaar number and biometrics. Is it valid? Yes. The Digital Life Certificate is a valid certificate recognized under the IT Act. It eliminates the need to visit the pension disbursing authority to prove that you're alive. Is an Aadhaar number mandatory? Yes. An Aadhaar number or VID is required to generate the Digital Life Certificate. Is the electronic Jeevan Pramaan a must? No, the Jeevan Pramaan is an additional option. You can still submit your life certificate using the traditional methods. But here's where it gets controversial. Some people might find the online process complicated, while others may not have easy access to the internet. What do you think? Are the online options accessible enough, or do we need to improve the offline processes? Share your thoughts in the comments.